Welcome! I am Sarita Roche, and today is day number in the Get Creative 30-Day Challenge, where I do something creative every day for 30 days. Film it, post it, share it. Thank you for joining me. So for those of you who have been following me every day, you might have noticed I didn't post yesterday. And I did actually do something creative. It was my son's birthday, and we actually did some birthday crafts for his decorations. But we were having such a good time as a family with my two children. I just decided it was one of those times when the cameras are off and we just spend time together in the moment. So that's what we did, and so I'm not going to share that. But I did have a day where I got to use some more of my craft supplies and stick to my schedule, trying to do something creative every day for the month of November. And so today we're going to do something completely different. I have a painting, a fluid art painting that I started a couple of months ago, and I overwatered my paints. And it gave kind of a spider web-like texture to the painting. And so I just knew that I wanted to paint a little cute fuzzy spider. And so today that's what I've been working on. I worked on it a little bit in a couple of weeks ago, and today I just decided it was time to finish my spider. So I'm going to share that with you today. It's in time lapse with music in the background, so I won't talk you through it, but I hope you like it, and I'll catch you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. You can always find me at SaritaLaRoche.com. Keep being creative and making beautiful messes. See you next time.